Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you how to download videos from Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, we would have to go on Play Store and search Instagram video downloader. After searching it, we would see many applications. We will open the third application, video downloader for Instagram. I have downloaded it already. You have to download it and open it. After opening, click on how to. You will see all the instructions of about downloading the video. So first we have to go on Instagram. That will go on Instagram. After opening Instagram, we will search any video. So let's download. Let's select our video. Sorry for late. We will select this video. So now we have to click on these three dots and copy the link. After copying the link, you will get a notification that Instagram link copied. You have to click on it. After clicking on it, you will see that your video is being saved. Thank you.